Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just a video of my face before the glow up. I hope you enjoy this video.
Hi guys, I'm just trying to adjust this down. I got my hydrating facial mask. It's a aloe and green tea hair mask. It's been growing because like before this whole area here was just bald. Now look, I only been using it for like a week and look, see that? Let me show y'all the back of my hair. You see that? It's growing. It's growing. Oh, I'm cactus. I had this on for the last 20 minutes. I'm gonna take it off to see how it looks. Focus! It's getting on my nerves. Yeah, this deep cleansing cream by Burt's Bees. It's time to take this off. So what I'm going to do now with my foot, I'm going to put my bath bomb in the water. I wish there's a way I could cut this and not use the whole thing. But anyway, it's too hard to cut, so I can just use the whole thing. Ready? There it goes. Bye, Barbara. Bye, Bobby. Look, it's like literally dissolved. Still haven't dissolved there. Alright, so now I got my foot in the yellow plastic bag because I'm gonna be soaking off the Stylist of my feet. I'm going to show you how I shape up my eyebrows with what is nail? Q-tip, some nail, and spoolie. So what I do first is I comb up on my brows and get it just basically in order. For y'all didn't see my edges coming through it. Look at this baby getting to it. My edges was bald. Look at this. This solution I've been using. Look at this. See all that hair? All that growth and sweet. Hair. Hair baby, get into it too. Look at this. Here. And let's do our final chop. Okay.
you expecting me to do a whole glow up on an empty stomach? I gotta get something to eat. So I'm making one of my favorite breakfasts, eggs and peanut butter and banana. And then after I push this whole thing in my mouth, I'm going to start the glow up. So I'm now washing my wig. I gave it a good shampoo, conditioning, and a good scrub. Gotta have unclean wigs, ladies. You can't put on dirty wigs on your head, okay? You gotta make sure your wig clean and fresh and clean and ready. So I let this air dry. No. Wow, girl, you really glow up, girl. Wow. This is catfish. Wow. Alrighty then. So this is my final look, guys. Oh my god, I am so proud of it. I did an amazing job. I did my facial, I did my eyebrow shaping, I did my pedicure, I did my makeup, I did my own wig, I even styled myself, I even did the picture. I am a professional, okay? I am the ultimate professional, and I saved myself $1,000 or more, okay? I did it all by myself. Oh my god, I am so talented. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'm gonna see you back on another video. Before you go, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Kryshanda Bethel. Also, follow my beauty page at Beauty Lux Bahamas. And don't forget to follow my business page at Natural Waste Detox. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please follow me on Facebook at Kryshanda Bethel, the Queen of Motivation.